Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. We finally got our new carburetor that we ordered to replace the Chinese piece of crap that we got. It runs fantastic now. I took it out to a construction site and I pulled the truck and trailer with it up just a slight incline to put a nice heavy load on it. My trailer's pretty heavy, so that put a pretty good load on it. I was pretty happy with it. I just wanted to make sure it wouldn't fall on its face. I know that pulling a sled is something altogether different, but basically all I wanted to do was put a load on it, make sure the carb was given enough fuel, not giving too much, and it ran pretty good. I did take Sandra took a little video of it from the cab of the truck while she was steering it. Doesn't show you a whole lot, but you'll see it after anyway. So I took this other carb apart, this crappy Chinese one we got here. So what I discovered was there's the seat that the main needle jet goes on. It goes down in here and you shove it down in and that's it. And then of course your needle comes in through the other side to make your high speed adjustment. Now, I'm not a carburetor expert by any means, but most of the carbs that I've had apart, that seat screws in. That one, not only does it not screw in, but it doesn't even fit tight. I took it apart and then I put it all back together, shoved that seat down in nice, and the tractor fired right up and ran good. And I let it run for a while. I even drove it up and down the road a couple times, and then it started running crappy again. Overfueling, backfiring, you name it. So I believe that seat, as the engine runs and vibrates and whatnot, I believe that it's working its way down, allowing too much fuel to dump in. So, shame on you, whoever built this carburetor, because it's a piece of crap. However, the carburetor that we bought, I bought it from these guys. I Save Tractors. In talking with some of the other pullers and some of the people online, these guys came highly recommended. They are a clone carb of a Carter, I think, but it seems fairly well built and it runs well. I've watched, this guy has a YouTube channel. I've watched some of his videos. He seems very knowledgeable on a lot of the Kohler stuff and some of the older tractors that used Kohler engines. So if you guys are looking for aftermarket parts, give these guys a try. Now it did take about 10 days for me to get this carb. However, sometimes good things are worth waiting for. Anyway, thank you, I Save Tractors. You save Luke also. So guys, I do believe we're ready to go. Like I said, there's a little clip coming up of me pulling the truck and trailer with this, and it did better than I expected it to, so I'm pretty happy with this. So thank you, I Save Tractors. Also, thank you, Dwayne Lucas. Dwayne Lucas is a fellow puller. He donated the money to buy this new carburetor. His words to me were, no beginners, no tractor pulls. And that is very true. So I'm very, very pleased at how many people have gotten on board and are excited about this project I'm working on. It's been real good. I'm really pleased. Though, again, thank you, I Save Tractors. Thank you, Dwayne Lucas, for your donation. Look for this next weekend. We're going to take it to the track and we're going to pull the sled with it, guys. All right, thanks for hanging out with me. Talk to you soon.